everybody and welcome back to our channel Yummy Healthy Lifestyle. Today we have two topics. We want to talk about water propagating plants. So I'll show you 5 of my plants you can grow in water, and the second topic, plant nursery. How to handle your weak fallows, rotten roots, brown spots and so on. And as I promised in the last video, I give you some first information on the air cleaning qualities of one of the plants from a big NASA research. Let's start with this Monstera deliciosa. As you see, a new leaf already starts to grow. I cut that leaf 3 weeks ago, and like you see, also new roots starts to grow out of the formerly air root. The Monstera deliciosa is an air cleaner, not effective enough for the NASA, but keep that plant in your home and it will filter pollutants like benzene and formaldehyde from the air, and also produces oxygen through their big beautiful leaves. My leaf here got that brown spots. When I plant it into soil and the new leaf will grow, I will cut that brown spots easily away. The next plant is the white adder's mouth. It measures up to 40 cm high. At the inflorescence there's a white high leaf. The evergreen indoor plant always forms new flower stems from March to October. The dark green leaves are long-stemmed and grow loosely upright. The white adder's mouth is very easy to clean and is durable. I'm very happy to see these shiny roots growing. I got this plant potted into soil and decided to transform it into a water plant. So you see there is some soil left between the roots, but it will fall off. The NASA Clean Air Study was a project to research ways to clean the air in space stations. The NASA study suggested that efficient air cleaning is accomplished with at least one plant per 9.3 square meters. The NASA also tested plants like English ivy, the spider plant and lots of more plants. With our plant here we got a high air purifying plant. It filters next to benzene and formaldehyde, also trichloroethylene, xylene, toluene and ammonia. This is used in many commercial cleaning products. Bamboo is a special type of wood that differs from other types of wood in many ways. The plants came out the earth with their full diameter. That can happen at breakneck speed. In a few weeks I will transplant these two in soil. Of course I will show you, and hopefully it will grow faster and gets a fuller green. Bamboo especially loves humus-rich, loose and permeable soil, but also thrives in heavier or sandy substrates. Compressed soils cause problems because of the risk of waterlogging. Here the soil should be loosened sufficiently. It calms me down to see these 2 new roots, and a small new leaf also grows. The older roots look good too. Well, there is not much that can go wrong. The orchid culture without a substrate requires in a location with the humidity on a tropical level. Where no orchid soil is available as a water buffer, the aerial roots are permanently threatened by drought. The orchid is very grateful for a place in the humid and warm bathroom or in an air-conditioned plant showcase with at least 80% humidity. In my case, some of the roots are rotten, and in the next few days I will either place the orchid in a substrate or in a glass with less water, but I need a better container in which it is possible to keep the humidity high even with less water. For now, I will just cut that rotten roots off and place the orchid back in water. The Clivia miniata, often also called belt blade, originally comes from the South African province of Natal. It has been cultivated since 1854 and has spread rapidly from England. Today it is considered one of the most popular flowering houseplants around the world. Clivia do not like direct sun, but they need a lot of light. In summer, they will also feel comfortable on the terrace, the roof garden or the balcony. The Clivia reacts a little touchy to changes in location during flowering. I grow this plant in water and it works very well. She is only 2 years old and will hopefully get her first flower next year. I will keep you updated. The next plant is a clusia, also called balsam apple, as it clocks jump in the Caribbean where the plant is seen as a weed. The plant can grow in a wide variety of terrain from jungle to lava landscapes. This houseplant needs a lot of water and a lot of light. The evergreen clusia plant is becoming increasingly popular as a houseplant. The best place for a clusia would be in a place with lots of light without too much direct sunlight. If the clusia receives too much sunlight, it can get brown and yellow spots on the leaves. Although a clusia does not require high humidity, it is better if the humidity is higher because then the clusia looks the most beautiful. I change the water on the plants every 1 to 2 weeks. I didn't fertilize any of these plants in winter. Otherwise, I use liquid guano fertilizer for all plants except the orchid, which is given special orchid fertilizer. It is important not to cover the leaves when filling up the water, otherwise they will start to mold. With proper care, the Calvia, for example, can live for over 100 years. The plants can reach considerable sizes. It makes me very happy when I imagine that in a few years my plants will also be bigger and some of them will produce flowers. And I'm also very happy about the upcoming planting season. In my next videos I will grow cuttings for new plants and repot the larger plants that have grown over the last year to let them continue to grow. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope I was able to give you some information that you didn't have yet. I look forward to your comments, a like or subscription. Otherwise, please have a look at my Instagram page. Until the next video, have a good time. Ciao!